Hey everyone, a while ago I posted a video about how to fix and restore black piano trim. We all love how nice and shiny black piano trim is, but it's a love and hate relationship, honestly, because it does look nice when it's new, but it does not age very well. It's so sensitive to scratches that even a wrong microfiber towel can leave some ugly marks on it. I've been following the comment sections on that video, and there were a few suggestions there about using ceramic coat to prevent further scratches. So in this video we're gonna take a trim piece and we'll take it to the shop and we'll apply a ceramic coat and we'll see if that really prevents and protects from scratches. Back in the shop we have a beat up black piano trim piece, and if you have any idea what vehicle this trim piece belongs to, please leave a comment. But before we jump into that, I just want to mention that this video is sponsored by MyAutoLog app. MyAutoLog app is the best maintenance tracker available out there. It's an app that allows you to track your maintenance on your car. Check it out, carmaintenance.app. And now we're gonna start working on this black piano plastic trim. We'll make it nice and shiny, prepare it for the ceramic coat. We're gonna use this buffing machine. I really like this buffing machine. A lot of people do. Very powerful. Some are saying it's the best buffing machine ever made. And as the first step, I'm gonna apply the metal polisher from AutoSol. Yeah, you heard it right. It's a metal polisher, but it works pretty good on polishing plastics as well. I've been testing it for a while. And actually I have a video on polishing the instrument clusters on the dashboard, and you can check it out. It's in the top right corner of the video. But yeah, I gotta admit that I got a little bit too excited and I used a lot of paste for this stage. In the previous video where I showed how to fix and restore the black piano trim, I used the poly watch instead of the metal polisher, and to be honest I think it's better using the metal polisher. And not only that you're getting a better value for the money, but also I think works better than a poly watch as well. And for the second phase here, we're gonna apply the M302 paste, which will provide a nice finish, nice gloss, dark and rich. And you will see the difference here in a moment, because I'm gonna pull the blue tape and it will expose the abused part, and we'll have a better image once I rinse it out with soap and water, and you can see the difference. We have a nice glossy finish. It's not perfect because I haven't tried to make it perfect. I just tried to kind of get it to the point where it looks better. So we're gonna label the abused part so we can know for future reference, but you can clearly see the difference. So now we're gonna move to the next phase where I'm gonna apply the ceramic coat, but not before checking the instructions. I never used this before, so it's my first time, so I'm excited to see. But following the instructions, we're gonna apply a few drops on the pad, and then we'll let this trim or coat, we'll let this coat dry on the trim for at least 24 hours. The instructions that came with this ceramic coat kit did not call for a 24-hour drying period, but I wanted to proceed with that anyway. I just wanted to make sure that coat is gonna bond to the surface properly before trying anything. Before I bought this kit, I did a little research, and it turns out people like it, and they had pretty good results with it, so I wanted to try as well on this trim piece, and hopefully it works. But here we have another label here for the buffed surface and the coated surface. And now we should be able to see the difference. I increased the exposure on the camera and it's brighter than usual, so that way we can see the dark shades. So now we're gonna do the scratch test here. I'm gonna use this blade from the scissor, and I don't want to believe that this is happening. I see both surfaces are scratching and there is no actual difference. I'm kind of disappointed from the first test, but I couldn't believe it, so I just wanted to make sure I applied a drop of water to see if it's gonna slide faster once it's reaching the coated section, and it did. So that confirmed that the coated or the ceramic coat is still applied and bonded to the surface. And for the second test here, I took a set of keys where I just dragged them across the surface just to create some surface scratches. We'll see if this will help. There is not a lot of pressure on those keys. As you can see, they are just kind of floating. And this is also disappointing because the scratches are there on both surfaces, the treated and untreated surfaces. And probably kind of looks a little bit worse to me on the coated surface. So here we go. We're gonna try another ceramic trim coat, and I did everything. Again, I buffed it, and I followed the instructions for the new package. This was mentioning a little bit of a drying time, but as you can see, it does look properly applied. And we did the same key test, and again, feels like the coated surface actually looks worse than the untreated surface. The instructions were followed properly, so that's not an issue, but I'm kind of disappointed. Let me know your thoughts down into the comment section, and let me know if you have any other ideas. But I know there are some other ideas where you can use the film wrap there, but that's not fun. If you leave it for too long and you want to peel it off, it's gonna leave a lot of residue. So I don't know what's the best thing to protect this black piano trim at this point.